Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to use DeepSeek version 3, a super smart AI tool that can help you with writing, learning and so much more. Don't skip this video and watch till the end. It will be very important for you knowledge. Let's get started. First, you need to access DeepSeek version 3. You can do this by visit their website or downloading their app. It is super easy. Just search for DeepSeek on your phone or computer. Once you are there, you will see a simple interface where you can start typing or speaking your question. Now here's the fun part. You can ask DeepSeek version 3 anything. For example, how do I write essay? You can take a large paragraph as a small summary and or even give me idea for a YouTube video. You can try anything. DeepSeek version 3 will give you clear, helpful answer in seconds. It is like having a smart friend who's always ready to help. If you are a student or a creator, DeepSeek version 3 can help you. Right? Just tell it what you need. Like write a short story about a robot or help me write any email to my teacher. You try. It will give you a draft that you can edit and make you one. Super easy, right? For example, what is climate change or how does a computer work? It will explain things in simple words so you can understand even the most complicated topics. Stuck on a problem? DeepSeek version 3 can help with that too. Just describe your problem like how do I fix a leaky faucet? Or what is the best way to study for exam? It will give you step-by-step solution to make your life easy. And don't forget, DeepSeek version 3 can be fun too. You can ask it to tell you a joke, write a zone, or even help you plan a party. It is not just useful, it is also entertaining. So what are you waiting for? Try DeepSeek version 3 today and see how it can help you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.